We got a super sick wide body Supra. Alright you guys, today we got a super sick wide body Supra. We're going to be going for a ride in it. It's going to be a super fun video, so make sure you stay tuned for more content of this car. It's going to be super fun, but we got the owner here today to talk about the car. So what's done to it, man?
Well, so far it has the wide body kit, StreetHunter. It has the Blitz 03s. Also has, it's on bags as well, but I forgot the name of the motor cover. The Blitz frame crash and the carbon fiber intake.
That thing's nice. And then off camera, you were telling me that these are like the legit Blitz wheels. They're not the fakes or anything.
Yeah,
so
legits.
they are like they're the 20 grand wheels is what he was saying.
Yeah.
So that's pretty insane. So, and then off camera, you were also telling me that this used to be a YouTuber's car.
Yeah, Randy. From
Randy.
Eliminate.
Okay, cool. Yeah, I'm not familiar with him, but if you guys, any of you guys are familiar with him and have seen this car on his channel, then you guys will probably recognize this car from first glance. But that is super cool. So you said this was also a giveaway car that he did, right?
Yeah, it was a giveaway. The winner is from Seattle, Washington.
Okay.
And I pretty much bought it off him.
That's awesome.
It's also on stage one tune. It also has the AK-47 tune. And
I heard you pulling in. It was popping
it's pretty loud. Then a road cage. The Starlight as well.
Okay.
It's pushing close to like 500.
That's not bad. Still enough to have fun with, right?
Yeah, for sure.
Do you get a lot of looks on the roads?
Oh, definitely.
Like from people and everything?
Oh yeah, all the time I drive it.
That's so funny. That's awesome.
Yeah,
Well,
it's also going to be on the Pacific Auto Show too.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah.
When is that going to be?
July 18, I think.
Okay. He's going to start it up for you guys. That sounds so sick. Woo! Yep, I see what he means by AK-47. Oh, that sounds so sick. Let's not waste any more time. Let's hop in and go for a rip in this thing. So how long have you had the car?
Since last year in November. That's when I picked it up.
That's sweet. Do you like it?
Oh yeah, I love it, man.
That's sick.
Such an amazing car.
I bet. What's the furthest trip you've taken it on?
Salem.
Really? That's
Yeah.
it? Oh, that's not bad.
At first I had issues with the wheel.
Uh-huh.
I couldn't, like, the bolt snapped, and after that it just keeps snapping.
Oh, man.
And I was trying to like look for bolts, but it was so hard to find those bolts, man.
That's crazy. Is it just because it's so wide?
Yeah, also the bolts are just like so hard to find because like they're so tiny compared like to the normal bolts.
Oh, you got the tuner lugs on it, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. The exhaust sounds crazy. What exhaust do you have on it?
It's Boost Logic.
Okay. Yeah,
All
the
right.
Boost Logic makes...
Now let's turn it on. Open the valves up.
All right.
Oh, wrong
one. Gee, that just sounds so good. It has that perfect note too, like it's not too raspy or anything. It sounds so good. Oh, that sounds so sick. Now with the wide body, does it feel any like wider than it normally does?
Yeah,
or?
it does, definitely.
That's crazy.
Like, I don't know if you felt it, like once I was like starting to go faster, like it starts shaking a little bit.
I didn't notice that, no.
Yeah, those pops are crazy.
Those pops sound so good. I bet you're just a cop attention getter. Huh?
Oh yeah, dude. Everybody like breaks their necks.
That BMW guy was just giving us a thumbs up. That sounds so good. I can't get over how good it sounds. Because like a lot of people like just make them super loud and like to where it just sounds so bad.
Yeah.
Well, time to be good. They're out in full force today.
Yeah. There's been like 5 or 6 cops today. Holy
I know. When I was on my way to Coast and Coffee that I just got done filming with, I saw a bunch of cops on the highway just sitting off to the side with their radar guns out. So that's they're out today. They're hunting. So we're about to hit the highway. We also got to be careful because there are cops out. So we gotta really watch so we don't get pulled over. Although it would be good content, but probably not the best situation for him because we don't want him to get a ticket. Oh, that sounds so good. The pop sounds crazy on the bridge. That's wild. That was a lot of torque. I almost dropped my camera.
It's who I am. Let's go.
Ooh, mama now. We're about to hit a tunnel right here. My God. Everybody lays on their horn and we got a loud exhaust. That's awesome. Man, this thing just gets up and goes. I love how torquey it is too, because like he was just saying, he loves the feeling of being put back in the seat. It's such an incredible feeling if you guys have never experienced that before. Check out the view of downtown Portland, you guys. This is so pretty. Beautiful day for a drive. You guys, check this out. He's got the roof liner stars. That's sick. I bet that looks super sick at night.
Yeah, for sure.
That's so cool. Headliner stars are always such a cool touch. We got another Supra up here. Oh, come on, focus. He's got a little bit of bubbles going on. Stupid traffic. All right, he's about to air back out. Sheesh. Yes, sir. Well, you guys, that does it for the video, Ramiro. Thank you so much, man. I appreciate it, man. And if you guys ever want to go for a ride in a Supra, hit up Ramiro. He'll probably be down to give you a ride. You guys are going to have a fun experience with it. So, super fun, super torquey, and super loud as well. It's definitely an attention getter. I'm super surprised that we didn't see any more cops out other than that one that you guys saw. So, but other than that, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, and look forward to more future car content. All right, guys. Peace.